Note that the uptrend in the Dow is still above the T-line, which in very simple terms tells us that as long as it doesn't close below the T-line, we're in an uptrend. However, notice also the nature of this uptrend. After the big morning star signal and trading above the T-line, each positive day has been followed by a negative day, which illustrates that there isn't any great exuberance coming into this market, just steady uptrend with profit taking. Today's worrisome index was the transportation index that had a big sell-off day, but it came right back down to the 50-day moving average. This will be important to see how they open this market. If they open up positive, it tells us most likely the other indexes will continue their uptrend. A weaker day tomorrow would more than likely take the Nasdaq, that's had a few indecisive trading days, back toward the T-line, which tells us there'd be some profit taking in the markets. On the other hand, if we wake up and see the pre-market futures are positive, that would tell us that this channel for the Nasdaq is still trading positive. That makes for recommendations on prices that are setting up patterns like the fry pan bottom in WWAV. Very likely that if they start trading this positive, despite what the market's doing, we're starting to break out into another wave. That's the anticipation of what should happen after a fry pan bottom. As illustrated in our recommendation of ESPR last week, as it was coming out of a fry pan bottom and had a big, huge price move, up 40 points in 1 week. This makes for optimal option trading setups. That the risk factor here, the risk-reward factor is buying right in here on the calls as it's breaking out through the top of the fry pan bottom. Either it's going to produce huge profits, or if it turns over and heads back down, you come back out with very small losses. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.